It's Chriso. I'm just about to grout the toilet now. See how everything is symmetrical? It's all sanded. It's professionally done. That's how a professional does a toilet floor and wall, you know. Cowboys, they just start with a full tile and put the cup down one side. Usually they have where the door is hinged, that's your cut. They have a full tile down there and the cut there, and when the door opens, it's opening onto the cut and you don't see it as much. But nothing looks as good as when things are centralised. You have your toilet in the middle. You're laughing. That's how it should be done, people. So DIYs, it's easy to do. My grout is just a little bit too stiff. It needs to be just a little bit. It would be perfect if it was on a real shiny tile. It would be perfect. So just put a little drizzle. Bloody beautiful, tell your mum. That's it. Zap down the wall with grout because it's going to be painted. You could use a paintable cork, but I don't. I always grout it. In this case, I'll be doing the floor as well on my way out. Pop your grout on top like that. Oh, there's that hand tool again. People are probably saying, yeah, the dick. Well, you know, you got to have a bit of a giggle and a laugh. A giggle and a laugh, a giggle and a talk. Oh baby, you know what I like. It's a song. Now doing the top of your skirt. That's how you do it. I try to make it sort of nice and square. Some people sort of curve it a bit, but no, it's easier to get even if it's square. And then that just gets painted now. And it all comes out bloody beautiful. I don't silicone up that timber because it's flush. You get a better job if you grout it. That I silicone up there. If you have your grout too runny when you're doing that, it'll sink and it'll look like that, because different parts it'll sink. You have it just right and you're laughing, buddy. Bit of plastic. Here we have it. I don't want to wipe it off too soon. It needs to dry a little bit first. If I start wiping that off now, it'll make my, it'll wipe too much out of the grout lines because it's too soft and it'll drag it out. Let it go off a tad and then you press lightly and you get nice even grout lines. With smooth tiles, you wait longer and you rinse out your sponge on your wash boy as much as you can and you press lightly and just rub it off. That's with a shiny tile. That I still, with that tile, I still press lightly as well. If you don't, you'll bring out too much water and you wash your grout out. Grouting is quite important and all apprentices should learn first how to grout. See you soon. I'll wipe it off shortly. Okay, I'll clean up my floor now in here. I'll clean my floor out now. All my walls are grouted up. I'll clean my floor out and start grouting that. I've still got to put that piece in yet. But no biggie. I've got to put a piece of small quarter round up there. I'll just silicone that, instant stick, whoosh cut. Then I can start with a bit of silicone. I fit the vanity in the morning and we're good to go. I've got to trim down the doors, which I could probably do today as well. See you people. See you soon.